Hello, agency owner here, and today I'm going to show you how I used CM on the go to actually lock a client. So, this client, when she came to us, was unhappy with her previous agency's performance. When I asked her to showcase any performance reports and analytics, she had none. So, essentially, her agency was not keeping track of any sort of data analytics. So, what I did was jump on a quick call with her and pull up this module of CMO on the go, which is called competitor analysis. You simply need to go in here and then plug in your potential leads profile, add in the brand offering, the USP, the brand industry, target audience, and then of course the target location, which in her case was United Kingdom. If she knows who her competitors are, this can be plugged in. Else, CM on the go will identify the competitors on its own. So you simply need to continue to report. While you are on call with your potential lead, CM on the go within seconds will pull up a performance comparison. As you can see, it has identified 3 competitors which are very relevant to our client. You can simply click on these and actually open up the websites as well for these competitors. It also identifies how much revenue is each of the business losing from not fixing their website and their SEO issues. Other than that, it also does a comparison of the unique selling point and the primary offering for each of the competitors. Then we come to the website audit section where it does a performance comparison for each of these. As you can see, our potential lead was doing quite well in terms of her website performance. Now we head to the SEO audit, which has different modules such as on-page optimization, which helps us understand whether each of the businesses have optimized their meta tags. Then off-page optimization, which will be available via email shortly. Then technical SEO, where it helps understand whether the businesses are passing the technical SEO or not. Then GeoLLM, this is very important. This helps us understand whether the businesses are showing up for different LLMs, because that's the new era of search. As you can see, the potential lead is lacking here in terms of AI visibility. Then we move on to social media, where it does a comprehensive comparison of the different social media channels and how each of the business is faring. Not only that, it also helps us understand whether each of the businesses are running any ads, and you can even go and click and see what kind of ads are the competitors running. Then last but not the least, we have a comprehensive recommendation section where it gives recommendations across content and keyword gaps, SEO and website, big idea, social media analysis, paid ads, and performance comparison. So just to give you an idea, using this $16 audit module, I was able to lock a client that will pay me at least more than 40 times over just in 1 month. And if you calculate the average LTV of agency clients, the ROI is immeasurable. Thank you so much.